In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Lightroom presets. Coming up! Welcome to this quick video on how to install Lightroom presets. This is PH Daniel Sanchez, art director and creative entrepreneur, and if you are new to the channel, I encourage you to subscribe if you want to take your visuals to the next level. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, you have to sign up for a subscription with any of the Adobe plans that they have available. You can go with the basic photography plan, which is only $9.99 a month. It's very affordable and it gives you the right tools to get started. For this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the signature cinematic presets that I use in all my photography work, and I use this with my clients, and it really helped me to save a lot of time. The first thing you're going to do is you're gonna import some pictures. For these examples, I'm gonna use one of my latest photo shoots I had in Tribeca, New York City, and then we are going to go to the Develop tab. So you have several tabs here on the top. You're gonna choose Develop, and then the only thing you have to do is you go to the left side over here and you see this plus sign. You're gonna click on it and then import presets. So you're gonna go to the folder where you downloaded your cinematic presets. You're gonna click there and you're going to import all the items that you see in the folder. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple. Now, what if you want to use these presets on your smartphone? Here's what you do. You have two different versions of Adobe Lightroom. You have Adobe Lightroom Classic and then you have Adobe Lightroom CC. You're gonna open Adobe Lightroom and then you're gonna select any of the pictures. Then you're going to go to the presets tab and then you go to the right top corner. You click on the three dots that you see here and then you import the presets. And again, you're going to select the folder where you downloaded your cinematic presets. You click on the cinematic presets and then you hit import. The reason why we install the presets on the desktop version is because this app is already synced with the Adobe Lightroom CC mobile app. Now the only thing you have to do is go to your smartphone, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Lightroom mobile app. Once you open the app, just log into your Creative Cloud account and you're all set. All your photographs and all your presets are going to be already synced with your Adobe Creative Cloud account. You're ready to stand out from the crowd. I'm sure these presets are gonna save you time and get you the results that you wanted. And that's it, but before I let you go, here's a quick piece of advice. When you purchase a pack of presets online, keep in mind that they're only the starting point. You always have to make some tweaks here and there in order to get it right. Also keep in mind that if your foundation, like your photograph, is not in good shape, you took a picture in bad lighting, blown out details, and just in general a bad quality picture, even if you have these presets, they're not gonna do as much. Presets are gonna work best when you have a good foundation, and that's with any presets in general. And that's it. This is all you need to do in order to have your cinematic presets up and running. All the presets that I use on this tutorial, they are available in my store. I'm gonna leave the link below if you are interested in getting these presets. And that's all I got for you today. If you have any questions as far as how to use these presets, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to stay updated with my content. This is PH Daniel Sanchez and I'll see you next time.